Hey YouTube, this is Andrea here, and I am with another haul from Beebeecraft.com. That's Beebeecraft.com. And I ordered some jewelry pieces to make jewelry with. And one of those things is this findings box. It comes with every type of size of jump ring you would need, lobster claw, clasps, some chain, and what are these? Are they tape shut? Yeah, some tape here. Some good tape. All right. Another one on this side. All right. Let's see what this is. They could be crimp beads. They have a little ball. Oh, okay, they're for hanging. They're the dangles, like the when you're making a necklace. This dangles down where you do the extra chain length. Okay, but that comes in a pack. Very nice. And I ordered some pearls. These are strands of pearls. These are beautiful pearls. Those are gorgeous. Some beads with rhinestones. This is pink. This is what the bead looks like. Whoop. Beautiful rhinestones on the pink background. Got a whole bunch of those. And last is my elastic band, elastic cording. Comes in this nice box. And it's white elastic cording. It's a big spool. And that's Beebeecraft by Beebeecraft.com. This is all of my goodies. I'm going to make some jewelry with them soon. So look for those videos when they come out. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great one. Bye.